out for the wire too. Oh man. Woo! Golly, it's hard to believe that tree was that big about an hour ago, and look at it now. So this is how they got their machines to the side. I was on the inside eating lunch, not long, maybe an hour, and the whole back was done. I wish they'd take this tree down if they're not going to remove the kudzu. But, oh well. They're taking down something over here. Hi. You do such interesting stuff with machinery. The stuff on the side was just amazing. I made a movie of it. I couldn't believe
cool.
What you did.
Yeah, it's the industry has progressed a lot from just climbing everything.
I love that oak tree.
Yeah.
It had any oak tree in this area is usually good for butterflies and moths, you know, and I've taken pictures of the backs of the leaves with galls on it and all that, but it had to come down, so.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's a little close to the building, I guess, was their main concern.
Yeah, very well. People plant things, they don't think, hey, this tree grows to be 50 feet high. Do I want to put it 15 feet away from a building?
Yeah.
Really.
Not a lot of forethought.
No.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh well, part of it. Usually busy.
Yes, I guess so. Already took down a lot. These guys are amazing. I want to keep that. I wonder how I can get my hands on it.